Welcome to This Explainer. I am literally so excited about today's topic because we're completely flipping the script on making money online. Look, if you've ever looked into digital side hustles, you already know about the massive headaches, right? You've got the razor-thin margins of drop shipping, dealing with totally unreliable overseas suppliers, managing physical inventory, or worst of all, answering endless customer support emails. Honestly, it's exhausting. But today we're looking at a blueprint that focuses on making serious, passive income by selling absolutely nothing. Yep. You heard that right. This is a model built entirely on free AI-generated utility websites.
Now I know, it kind of sounds like a trick question, right? But what if you could actually make $10,000 or even up to $100,000 a month offering a service that is 100% free? Well, it turns out some of the absolute easiest money being made on the internet right now comes from incredibly simple, almost boring websites. Just think about the last time you Googled a mortgage calculator or a word counter for an essay. You've probably used these tools yourself without even realizing you are making the creators thousands of dollars in the process.
Okay, let's dive into this and really compare the two worlds. On one side, you've got traditional e-commerce, and man, it is heavy lifting. You're constantly managing products, fulfilling orders, and putting out customer service fires left and right. But on the other side, you have the AI utility model. No products, no pushing stuff on social media, no manual coding. It's just a free, highly useful service powered by AI that generates entirely passive ad revenue. It's a sleeker, automated, and frankly much less stressful way to build a digital asset.
To get us there, here's the exact step-by-step roadmap we're going to follow in today's explainer. Section 1, the boring website model. Section 2, finding a profitable niche. Section 3, building your AI utility. Section 4, monetizing with Google AdSense. Section 5, scaling traffic through SEO. And finally, Section 6, the realistic revenue roadmap. Let's get right into it.
Section 1, the boring website model. So to really grasp this, consider the sheer scale of the utility model. Take speedtest.net, for example. When you want to check your Wi-Fi speed, you go there, click a big button, and get a free test. Simple, right? But look at the numbers behind that simple action. Third-party estimates show they pull in around 133 million visitors a month. Because of that massive volume, simply by displaying Google ads around the edges of the screen, they're pulling in an estimated $600,000 to $2.5 million every single month. They don't charge you a dime, but the sheer volume of web traffic literally pays them millions.
The engine behind all this money is Google AdSense. And the key metric you really need to understand here is RPM, or revenue per mil. Basically, that's just how much Google pays you per 1,000 visitors to your website. But here's the secret. Not all ads pay the same. The rates fluctuate heavily based on your specific niche. For instance, an advertiser is going to pay pennies for a click on a meme website. But a bank will pay a massive premium for a click on a mortgage calculator. That's exactly why categories like tech, finance, and health pay out significantly higher earnings.
Moving on to Section 2, finding a profitable niche.
So the crucial point is, success depends entirely on picking the right category before you build anything. Here's your exact checklist for finding a winner. First, target a search volume between 100,000 and 1 million monthly searches. Why? Because this ensures there's enough traffic to actually make money, but not so much that you're competing against giant corporate brands. Second, choose those high-paying RPM categories we just talked about, like finance, health, or tech. Third, make sure it has evergreen demand. People should be searching for this stuff all year round, not just during the holidays. And finally, focus on just one specific country first, like the UK market. Narrowing your geographical focus drastically lowers your competition right out of the gate.
Let's look at the exact research stack you'll use for this. You're going to start with a large language model like ChatGPT or Claude to act as your personal brainstorming partner. Have it generate utility ideas, things like compound interest or salary calculators. Next, you run those ideas through Google Trends to validate that the search interest is steady or even better, growing. Finally, you plug those keywords into Google Keyword Planner for the exact traffic data. Following this exact process actually revealed a massive opportunity for us. A UK contractor take-home pay calculator boasting 301,000 monthly searches. It literally hits every single metric perfectly.
All right, Section 3, building your AI utility.
Now, if you're sitting there worried because you don't know how to code, please don't be. You're going to use something called vibe coding. This just means you use an AI agent to write, edit, and implement all the computer code for you. You really want to think of yourself as the creative director here, rather than the bricklayer. In the past, you'd have to pay a developer tens of thousands of dollars to build a custom calculator. Today, you just tell the AI what you want in plain English, and it builds the entire platform for you. It's a real game changer.
Here's your workflow. Step 1, you ask your AI to generate a highly detailed master prompt. This prompt acts as your ultimate blueprint. It includes all your SEO requirements, your layout instructions, and the actual calculator logic. Step 2, you just paste that master prompt into an AI site builder like Hosting or Horizons. Step 3, sit back and relax. Let the AI vibe code the entire layout, the landing page, and the working calculator. Honestly, this only takes about 10 to 20 minutes. And step 4, hit publish. The best part of all this? Using a tool like this costs roughly $10 a month, meaning your overhead is practically zero even if you decide to build a dozen of these sites.
And this brilliantly illustrates just how fast this technology moves, shifting you from a raw concept to a live brand name in minutes. You can even use your AI to brainstorm memorable domain names. In our example, the AI suggested names like NetNest and PayApp before landing on the absolute perfect, catchy name, takehomely.com. Having a memorable name is absolutely crucial because it encourages users to bookmark your site and actually come back later. Within a few clicks, you register that custom domain, connect it to your newly vibe-coded utility, and boom, your brand is officially live on the internet.
Next up, Section 4, Monetizing with Google AdSense.
This is where we connect the plumbing that actually gets you paid, and the process is incredibly straightforward. Step 1, create a free Google AdSense account. Step 2, connect your new domain and flip on Auto Ads and Auto Optimize. This lets Google's algorithm automatically find the most profitable yet least annoying places on your site to display their ads. Step 3 is for sure the best part. Google gives you a little snippet of code that needs to be pasted into your website's hidden backend files. Those are known as header tags. Instead of trying to figure that out yourself, you literally just paste that code into your AI Builder chat and type, "Add this to my website." The AI handles all the tricky technical integration for you in seconds.
Which brings us to Section 5, Scaling Traffic through SEO.
Even the best utility site needs a constant stream of organic visitors to survive, and that relies heavily on SEO, or search engine optimization. Now, because you already instructed the AI to include optimized title tags, meta descriptions, and headers right from that master prompt, your foundation is already super strong. But to truly track your success, you absolutely must connect your domain to Google Search Console. Think of this dashboard as your website's heartbeat monitor for Google. It shows you exactly what people are typing to find you, allowing you to tweak things and climb the ranks when someone searches for, say, a take-home pay calculator.
But here's the thing, on-page SEO isn't enough on its own. You need authority, and that means backlinks. You can think of a backlink as a vote of confidence from another website. Here's your automated strategy for that. First, start an internal blog on your site, talking about your niche to build up some relevance. Second, use your AI agents to scour the internet for other bloggers writing about salaries or finance. You then have the AI automatically email those writers, essentially saying, "Hey, I noticed you wrote about increasing your salary. I have this amazing 100% free calculator tool that your readers might love. Feel free to link to it." Earning these links signals to Google that your site is a trusted authority, which rockets you to the top of the search results.
And finally, Section 6, the Realistic Revenue Roadmap. Let's move to and see how this builds month by month, because we definitely want to keep expectations grounded. In month 1, your goal is to aggressively build 3 to 5 different utility sites, just to see what sticks. In month 2, you might only see $5 to $50. Why? Well, because new websites sit in a sort of waiting room while Google indexes them. By month 3, as your backlinks kick in and Google starts to trust you, you're looking at $50 to $200. By month 6, that scales to $500 to $2,000. And by month 12, as your authority fully cements, a successful portfolio can generate between $2,000 and $10,000 entirely passively every single month.
The core philosophy from our source material leaves us with a really grounding reminder. You are not going to get rich quick. But if you build smart and effectively with AI agents, you are going to be able to grow these passively. This is the ultimate takeaway here. You put in the foundation work in month 1, you set up your automated outreach, and then you step back. You let the sheer volume of organic search traffic compound over time, transforming what was just a weekend AI project into a true long-term digital asset.
Millions of people are searching the internet right now for simple, free tools to solve their everyday annoyances. From counting words, to calculating taxes, to formatting code. The blueprint is right in front of you. The AI tools are incredibly cheap, and they do all the heavy coding and outreach lifting for you. So, I'll leave you with this. Which boring, highly profitable, everyday problem will your AI website solve next? Thank you so much for watching this explainer, and I honestly can't wait to see what you build.